Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Engineering Mathematics for GATE exam. In this video, let us see how to find the eigenvector for the given matrix. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics for GATE exam. Now let us see how to find the eigenvectors of the given matrix. Question number 1. Find the eigenvectors of the matrix A, and the given 2 by 2 matrix is 8 minus 4 2 2. So in order to find the eigenvectors, first we need to know eigenvalues of the matrix. Okay. So in order to find the eigenvalues of the matrix, uh, let us take lambda 1, lambda 2 are the eigenvalues of the matrix. Okay. So sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to sum of the diagonal elements of the matrix. That is from the previously uploaded video. I told you how to solve the eigenvalues of the given matrix using shortcut method, that is two-step method. That is sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to sum of the diagonal elements, and product of eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to determinant of the matrix. So sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is nothing but lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to sum of the diagonal elements, that is 8 plus 2 10, and product of the eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to determinant of the matrix, that is lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to determinant of for this 2 by 2 matrix is 8 into 2 minus 2 into minus 4, so 16 minus became plus and plus 8. Okay, so 16 plus 8, that is equal to 24. So by solving, if we take that those two are equation 1, equation 2. If we solve this equation 1, equation 2, we will get the eigenvalues lambda 1 is equal to 6 and lambda 2 is equal to 4. Now let us see the eigenvector for the matrix for the eigenvalue lambda 1 is equal to 6. So characteristic equation to find the eigenvectors is a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. And here a is 8 minus 4 2 2 minus lambda into I is nothing but 6 into 1001. So 6006 into x is nothing but x1 x2 is equal to 0 comma 0 0. Okay, now if we subtract a from lambda I, it will be 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 into x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. So 2x1 plus minus 4x2 is equal to 0. So from here it is x1 is equal to 2x2. Let us take x2 is equal to k. Then the eigenvector for the eigenvalue 6 is the eigenvector x is equal to x1 x2 is equal to 2k k. If we bring the k factor outside, that will be k into 2 1. Now let us find the eigenvector for the eigenvalue lambda 2 is equal to 4. Is the characteristic equation to find the eigenvector is a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Here a is the given matrix, lambda is the eigenvalue, I is the unit matrix, that is 1001, and x is nothing but the required eigenvector. So substitute a is 8 minus 4 2 2 minus 4 into 1001 is nothing but 4004 into x1 x2, that is the required uh, eigenvector, is equal to 0 0. So if we subtract a minus lambda I, we will get 8 minus 4 is nothing but 4 minus 4 minus 0 is nothing but minus 4, 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2, 2 minus 4 is nothing but minus 2 into x1 x2, that is equal to 0 0. Okay, so 4x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0, that is nothing but x1 is equal to x2. Now let us take x2 is equal to k, then the eigenvector for the eigenvalue 4 is nothing but x is equal to x1 x2, that is equal to k k. If I bring the k factor outside, that will be k into 1 1. So the eigenvectors for the given matrix are nothing but k into 2 1 and k into 1 1. So this is the procedure to find the eigenvector. Now let us see the eigenvector for 3 by 3 matrix. Look at the question number 2, that is find the eigenvectors for the given 3 by 3 matrix, that is 1 0 0 2 3 1 0 2 4. So in order to find the eigenvectors, first we need to find the eigenvalues. Okay, so basically I told you in the previously uploaded videos a shortcut method that is using two-step method to find the eigenvalues. That is, sum of the eigenvalues is equal to sum of the diagonal elements of the given matrix, and the product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of the given matrix. And from those two steps we will get the two equations, and here it is a 3 by 3 matrix. That is, three eigenvalues will be there. That means three unknowns are there, two equations are there. So basically it is difficult to find the eigenvalues using that method, but if it is a objective question, you will get the answer by cross checking the two steps. Whichever the option is satisfying the two steps, that will be the answer. So in objective question you can find, but here it is a subjective question. You have to find the eigenvectors. First we need to find the eigenvalues. Okay, so, and in any case if you are unable to find the eigenvalues using that shortcut method, so this is the basic procedure method to find the eigenvalues using characteristic equation. So that's why I choose this 3 by 3 matrix in order to find the eigenvectors. So in the same in the same way, that basic procedure to find the eigenvalues are included in this question itself. Okay, so find the eigenvalues of the given matrix by characteristic equation. Determinant of a minus lambda is equal to 0, where a is the given matrix and lambda is the eigenvalue, and I is the unit matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so determinant of a minus lambda is equal to 0, that will be 1 minus lambda 0 0 2 3 minus lambda 1 0 2 4 minus lambda. Determinant is equal to 0. So from here it is 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda minus 2 minus 0 into something plus 0 into something. So those will be zeros. So 1 minus lambda into, by multiplying 3 minus lambda with 4 minus lambda, it will be 12 minus 7 lambda plus lambda square minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here it is 1 minus lambda into lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 10 is equal to 0. And from here it is 1 minus lambda into lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. So lambda will be 1 comma 2 and 5 are the eigenvalues for a given matrix A. And the eigenvector for the given eigenvalue will be lambda 1 is equal to 1 is nothing but characteristic equation for the eigenvector is a minus lambda into x is equal to 0, where a is the given matrix, lambda is the eigenvalue, I is the unit matrix, and x is nothing but the required eigenvector. Okay, so from here it will be 1 minus lambda 0 0 2 3 minus lambda 1 0 2 4 minus lambda into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So after substituting lambda is equal to 1 in the previous slide, from the previous slide last equation, that will become 0 0 0 2 2 1 0 2 3 into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So from here it will be 2x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, and 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. Let us take x3 is equal to k, so x2 will be minus 3k by 2 and x1 will be k. So eigenvectors for the eigenvalue 1 are nothing but x is equal to x1 x2 x3 is equal to k minus 3k by 2 k. So that will be, if we bring that k factor outside, it will be k into 1 minus 3 by 2 1. Eigenvector for the eigenvalue lambda 2 is equal to 2 is nothing but the characteristic equation to find the eigenvector is a minus lambda into x is equal to 0, where a is the given matrix, lambda is the eigenvalue 2 into unit matrix 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into x is nothing but the required eigenvector is equal to 0. So that will be 1 minus lambda 0 0 2 3 minus lambda 1 0 2 4 minus lambda into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So after substituting lambda is equal to 2 in the previous equation in the last slide, so that will be minus 1 0 0 2 1 1 0 2 2 into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So from here it will be minus x1 is equal to 0 and 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, and 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. From here it will be x2 is equal to minus x3, and suppose if we take x2 is equal to k, then x3 is equal to minus k. So eigenvector for the eigenvalue 2 are x is equal to x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 minus k, k is equal to k into 0 minus 1 1. Eigenvector for the eigenvalue lambda 3 is equal to 5 is nothing but the characteristic equation to find the eigenvector is A minus lambda into x is equal to 0, where A is the given matrix, lambda is eigenvalue 5 into 1, I is the unit matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into x is nothing but the required eigenvector. So from here it will be 1 minus lambda 0 0 2 3 minus lambda 1 0 2 4 minus lambda into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So from here, if we substitute lambda is equal to 5, that will become minus 4, because 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 4, 0 0 2 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2 1 0 2 4 minus 5 is nothing but minus 1 into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. From here, that will be minus 4x1 is equal to 0, that will become x1 is equal to 0, and 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, and 2x2 minus x3 is equal to 0. From here it will be x1 is equal to 0, and suppose if we take x2 is equal to k, then x3 will become 2k. So eigenvector for the eigenvalue 5 are x is equal to x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0k 2k. So if we bring outside that k factor, that will be k into 0 1 2. So the eigenvectors for the given 3 by 3 matrix are nothing but k into 1 minus 3 by 2 into 1 comma k into 0 minus 1 1 and k into 0 1 2. So this is the procedure to find the eigenvectors for the given matrix. I hope you understand. I have given you the two examples, that is with 2 by 2 matrix and for 3 by 3 matrix, how to find the eigenvectors, and I have told you how to find the eigenvalues using shortcut method and how to find the eigenvalues for basic normal procedure method. So all these things are covered till now. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching.